sitting here with Boomer, and I can see Mr. Bunny is under my car, but on the front steps, one of the other chippies is waiting. Come on, Chip Chip. Hi, buddy. Hi, Chip Chip. Come here. Hi, Chippy. Come here. Hey, it's little boy. Come here. Come on, honey. Come on. Get up here. Come on, buddy. Hi, little boy. You don't like that one? How about this one? Can you carry 3? Can you carry 3? Want a smaller one? All right, little boy. Come back, see me. Come on, Chip Chip. Come here, Boomer. Come here, Boomer. Come here. Come over here. Come on. Come on, Chip Chip. Come on, Boomer. Come on, Boomer. All the way over here. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Come on, Chippy Chippy. Chip Chip, come here. Just like Boomer, he goes and gets in my chair. Aha, good boy. Come here. Come here, Boomer. Come on. Come on, Boomer. Come on, sweetheart. You made it all the way over here. That's really good, dude. He had to go twice the distance just because the other chipmunk. Here, got it right here. Here. Right here. There you go. There's another one here. You want this one? Come here. Oh, full. You got a full load. Okay, Chip Chip. All right.